In this video, I want to show you how to set the coordinate reference system of a layer in QGIS. To do this, I will bring in a data that has no coordinate reference system. That is, a layer that its coordinate reference system is undefined. So to do that, click on Add Vector Layer. Let me navigate to my working folder and let me bring in any of this data. I'll click on it and click on Open. Then I'll click on Open. You can see a warning here that CRS was undefined, which means the coordinate reference system of this data is not defined. So how do I define the coordinate reference system of this layer? To do that, come to the layer and right click. Then come down here and set layer coordinate reference system. Click on it. Then here it will open the coordinate reference system selector. Here you can define layer coordinate reference system. This particular layer I brought in, if you look at the information here, this layer appears to have no projection specification. By default, this layer will now have its projection set to that of the project, but you may override this by selecting a different projection below. So to set the coordinate reference system for this layer, you can filter here by searching. However, you can also choose from recently used coordinate reference system. So if you know the coordinate reference system of this data, you can search here. Or if you have used it recently, you can select from recently used. In this case, I will select from recently used WGS 84 and click on OK. Now let's verify. If I right click the layer and come to properties, then let's come under general. You can see that the coordinate reference system is now selected as WGS 84. So this is how to set the coordinate reference system of layer in QGIS. Thank you for watching.